What if you could trade global oil markets directly from your phone? Today, I'll show you how to trade Brent crude oil and WTI crude oil on the SuperEx app using the correct trading pairs. First, let's understand what you're trading. Crude oil is one of the most important commodities in the world, and there are two key benchmarks. WTI crude oil, mainly driven by the US market. On SuperEx, this is CLUSDT. Brent crude oil, the global pricing benchmark. On SuperEx, this is BZUSDT. These two don't always move the same way, and that's exactly where trading opportunities come from. Now let's get into the app. Step 1. Open the SuperEx app and go to the Futures section. Step 2. Search for CLUSDT for WTI or BZUSDT for Brent. Step 3. Choose your leverage and position size. Step 4. Pick your direction. If you think oil prices will go up, go long. If you think they'll go down, go short. Simple. No need to buy physical oil. No need to switch platforms. You're trading global commodities just like crypto. And here's why oil is interesting. Prices react fast to real-world events, geopolitics, supply cuts, inflation, economic data. That volatility creates opportunity. And now you can capture it right from your phone. One app. Crypto and TradFi together. That's the power of SuperEx. If you're ready to trade oil, open the app and search CLUSDT or BZUSDT.